Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you would like to edit and then tap on it. I don't know what happened. So for example this one in my case, and now just tap on edit, so this pencil icon. Then let's tap on this profile picture, and now we can either take a photo of someone who's right in front of us by tapping on camera. We can choose something from our own gallery. Here we've got also Galaxy avatar, so we can create our own avatar, or actually the avatar of this specific person, or we can choose something from those pre-installed options. We can tap on this plus icon, and as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from, which are connected with the nature, with I don't know, with activities, I don't know what's that, with people, with animals, etc. So just choose the option and then tap on it. For example this one, it will appear immediately here, and tap on save. Tap on save again, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. It will be also visible on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.